Hamjamboni, saseni. Hey, kwambia YouTube is fun. YouTube is the best. But nakwambia edit content ya YouTube, create hizo thumbnails, copyright issues. Acha nitaanza na complain. Let's start vizuri. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Acha niweke hapa nisitoke. 1 minute. Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Uswangeshi. I am an aspiring creator, but nimekuwa nikipost videos. Someone asked me, nilikuwa nimeanza vizuri, what happened? Why am I so inconsistent? And it's not my fault. Nakwambia put out content on YouTube is tricky, especially when you don't know what to do, what you are doing, ama how to do it. All the videos on my page ziko na copyright issues, ziko na editing issues, niko na vitu like dots. I didn't na Google what does those hizo signs zina mean nini at the end of my video. Hizo vitu zote ziko na issues, but siko hapa complain. We are at 120 subscribers. Yay! Even with the issues zote, at least we are growing. I have people who comment on my video. I think that comment ilifanya nikafeel poa, and I was like, tomorrow kesho naamka and I'm redoing YouTube all over again. I'm gonna figure it out. So here we are, season 2.0, episode 2.0. Yeah, so I'm not even doing anything new. I'm just figuring out editing. Already the content I have ni enough, so I want to do like editing and then copyright. Nijue how to get rid of the copyright and all those symbols after my videos. So you remember the content we did to Raha Fest, yeah? When you went to see the artist with the pink hair with my friend. I'm going to repost it again. And that was my first ever YouTube vlog. Alafu niko na ingine ya my first ever spend the evening with me routine. I love those videos. If I ever lose any content on my phone, niachie hizo video mbili because I really put a lot of love in those videos. Na zilikuwa video zangu za kwanza. So, I think I have figured out. Siko sure, I'll know. Azikuwa like zilikuwa zinakuja like 3 or 4 days later after I post. So now you're gonna see if I figured it out. So if you come across my videos, do not forget to like, share, and leave your suggestions in the comment section. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, how I can do it better, how to improve, because I want to put out better content out there. I'm working on getting better equipment for my videos. Here, manifesting. So please make sure you watch this video till the end. Alafu another thing I figured out after nimaliza edit. Simu yako edit for YouTube, you have to put your phone in landscape. Mimi nilikuwa na film ikiwa portrait. No maana video iko hivi, just watch it to the end. Alafu comment. All 120 of you, nawapenda sana. Sana. So welcome to Season 2.0. I'm about to be so consistent, okay? And I hope I may improve kidogo because I've been figuring out how to improve. I love you all. Bye. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Miss Wangeshi, yeah, and we are here on today's digital diary. We are on another night of night shenanigans. So anyway, nataka kwenda Raha Fest. Sasa naacha maneno mingi. Nataka kwenda Raha Fest. So I figured, why not vlog this? Instead of doing the shenanigans as a whole separate whatever, I'll just be adding it into the weekly vlogs. Sitakuwa naifanya ikiwa separate. So this is the final night shenanigan video ikiwa separate. So yeah, I've already showered. I want to dress up. Nipake kakitu kidogo on my face. Nache kukani kama, yeah, and then I have to salvage the situation, like nipake kajel kadogo. I want to warm up chakula nilikuwa nimepika jana. I had made fried rice na chicken.
There's nothing as annoying as loyal utensils. Ha! Imagine you go and then you come back and then vyombo zako tu bado ziko hapo zinakungoja. So yeah, nimekula, nimeosha vyombo. I've done some basic cleanup around the house. You know that feeling when you come back to a clean house. I want that feeling when I come back. It's currently 7:30 and I want to start putting on my makeup. Makeup yangu yote imetosha kwa kaka bag, imagine. Kaka basket carries all my makeup. I don't think I'm going to be doing heavy makeup. Just concealer na nitry trim eyebrows and some lip gloss. Yeah, this is what I'm going to be wearing. These shorts. Hizi shorts ni mimi nilizikasha mimi mwenyewe. I bought a trouser ikunibamba. It was like see, haifiki huku chini kwa ankles. No, I'm tall. So the trouser was short on me and I didn't like the look of the trouser. So mimi nikakata hizi shorts. So I'll be wearing those shorts and this skirt top. I'm going to be wearing all black. I'm going to be wearing these boots. Nishazipanguza. Maybe I'll throw on like a pink jacket. It's quite too dark. But nitajua tu. This is the scent of the day. This fragrance mist. This is just a body splash. Imetoka. So I'm going to, this has like, inanuka sweetie. I'm going to layer it with this other body mist. It's any body mist. If you can't taste it in your mouth, it's not, this is a body mist. It's not a perfume. So shower in the body mist. I don't have a perfume. I have this one. This is the cherry blossom. Today I'm just going to smell like sweets. So you're not going to shower in it. Kadogo too. This is the outfit of the day. This jacket. This cargo shorts. This top. Iko bareback. It's a bareback top. It's a bareback top. Yeah. So this is the outfit of the day. I'm going to carry this bag. This is the outfit of the day. I will see you kwa mbele. Twende tufike tusichelewe.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Now I want you guys to do something for me right now. I want you to turn up your lights right now. I need you to turn up your lights right now. From that side, yeah. I need you to turn up your lights. Yes. I need to see my fans. Turn the lights on them. And I want everyone to be quiet right now. Yes. Everybody. Yes. Get a minute. This is for all the beautiful ladies out here tonight.
Jambo.
Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Wangeshi, and this is my digital diary where I get to vlog, record, and just do everything fun and just give out digital and like relatable content. Yeah, so today we are going to be doing a spend the evening with me vlog. Subscribe. So yeah, spend the evening with me. Taki kuyap. I am ayapa. I can yap. Sitaki kuyap sana. Other than that, yeah, welcome to my channel. I really like this sweater dress. Nilivyanga mama yangu. Sasa kugeuka jina janka fupi. But like I really like this sweater dress. Yeah. So anyway, let's get into the vlog. This is what you're making for dinner. Meat, and I want to make it sort of like a spaghetti in this sauce. I'm not going to start speaker kando. I'm going to mix them into one sauce. Yeah, I really like this bowl. And it has all these cabinets, and then it has my spoons here. I really like it, by the way. Like this is a very happy purchase. I just enjoy onyesha kakatebo in detail, but like yeah, I really like it. But the next time I'm buying furniture, please, I am not going to get black. Black ikinikiwa tu hivi kidogo inaonekana and it looks like that. Na si chafu, I've wiped it down, but like the slightest scratch, I think I'm going to like, I don't know kama niweke contact paper hapa, but I don't really know. But I think I really work on this surface a lot. Ndio maana iko na all these dents. And plus it's black. So kadent tu kadogo kana shout because the wood underneath si black. So I think I'll just get a contact paper, niekelee hapa, ama nipake rangi different, but I think contact paper is cheaper. You're going to take a shower, and then you're going to get on to cook. Anyway, nishamaliza kila kitu. I actually used akakaleso to wipe my feet. I don't like using the same towel I use for every other part. I use this one tunafataka kuihang hapo kwa balcony ikauke. Anyway, this is the outfit of the night. I feel pretty. I feel cute. Napenda your outfit combination. Yeah. This is the outfit of the night. I had a very lengthy cold shower. Emala is taking cold showers. Cold showers are the best. Says I feel like I can run a 4K. Anyway, to PK.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, ain't home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it. You can
nimeona hii sauce imekuwa mingi kuliko spaghetti, so I took some out. I'm going to eat this tomorrow. I don't know kama nitakula na mchele, but yeah, I'll make some